Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing Leetcode problem 98, which is validate binary search tree. Just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. Alright, so we're going to be doing a recursive call here, and our recursive function is going to be returning type boolean, and it will just be a DFS search. So it's going to take a tree node, let's call that node, and it'll also take integers of min and max. Okay. Because to validate a binary search tree, we have to know that the left child is less than the parent and the right child is greater than the parent. That's why we're going to have these minimum and maximum integers, so we know what the bounds are for a valid binary search tree. So let's write the base case first. Base case being if node is null, return true. Okay, this is when we reach a leaf node. All right, otherwise, if this minimum value is not null and the node value is less than or equal to minimum, or max is not null and this node value is greater than or equal to max, we will return false, right? Because it will be out of bounds. So we're first checking to see if the minimum and maximum value that we've passed is not null. Only then can we evaluate it, right? And we recursively call this DFS function, giving node.left, minimum, and this node value. And we also do for the right subtree, which is going to be node.right, node value, and max. Right, so for our left node, we're passing in a minimum value every time we do the call, but our max value we know is going to stay as the parent node, right? So in this DFS call, we are passing node.left, which is 1, minimum value, and we are also giving the maximum value as the parent node, which is this 2, right? Because left subtree has to be less than the parent node. And similarly, we're doing the same thing for the right subtree. All right, and now in our main function, let's first check if root is equal to null, we will return true, because we do have, actually we don't have that, but let's just keep it. Okay, and return DFS root null and null, because for our first value of root, we don't have to evaluate it to a minimum or maximum value. That's why we are keeping it as null, right? And only after we find minimum and maximum values here do we then evaluate this expression, because at that point when we find those values, minimum or maximum will not equal null. All right, so let's just submit this. Perfect. So that was Leetcode problem 98. Hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe for more.